Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my complete PHP playlist where you can find all PHP related videos. It has covered all the basics and we will see advanced topics as well in this playlist. So you can bookmark this playlist for your future reference so that it is easy for you to find all PHP videos. So in the last video we I have uploaded around 21 videos starting with the XAMPP installations. So in the last 20th lecture, which is like based on math functions in PHP. So we have covered with the basic functions and the basic syntaxes. Now we will move to a mini project. In this video, we will see how to submit HTML form data in PHP. So it will be a part of our mini project, which is student management system. Our main focus is on PHP. So we will use a simple HTML form as of now, and when user submit this form, we will display his data using PHP. So let me start. So I have created a new folder for this lecture, that is student hyphen man hyphen system, and make sure your XAMPP is also running. So let me open this folder using VS Code. I have opened the whole htdocs. I think I have already opened this folder. Yeah, I have opened this student management system folder. So let me create a PHP file. First we will create a form, student form. So we will create a student registration form, and upon submitting we will show the student information. So to create a form, we will use HTML. So if you do not know HTML that much, then no problem at all, because syntax are easily available on the internet. So you can follow me as well. Like I will create just a simple form. So you do not require any special expertise in HTML. You, I will show you how to create that simple form. This is the basic HTML template. Like it start with the doc type, and then head, then body. So let me create a form there. So like I will give background color to the body so that page looks a little bit interactive and good. So I will use style, background color, then suppose I want to give the silver color, and inside body I want my form to be in the center, so I will use a center tag. There are other ways as well, but as of now we will use center tag. So let me first define the form heading. So it is a student registration form, so I will give heading as student registration form. And after the heading I will create a form using form tag. And so what is this action? Action means we have to give the path of the PHP file here, uh, which will which will get directed to when user click the submit button. He will be directed to the path given in the action. So we have to give the PHP path here. For example, we can consider our PHP file where we will submit the data is save student. We will create this file later after creating the form. So I am giving a path here, save student.php. And another thing we have to specify is method. Like there are mainly two methods used for form submission: get and post. Get, if we use get, then data is submitted as a part of URL, so it is less secure. And if we use post, then data is submitted in the body, so it is more secure. So we will be using post method to submit the form, and inside this form we have to define the fields that we want to gather information. For example, there will be a field for name. So first we have to provide the label and then input text. So we will give name label as full name. Let me add input for that as well. Input, so name is a string, so we will keep type as text, and let me give some style to this name. I want to give it width of 300 pixel, and we will give some margin from the top as well, so that there is a gap between the columns, like 20 pixel. So this is the first field, which will be the full name. Now let us define a field for email as well. Let me give a br tag so that the new field is added in the next line. For the next line we use br, and let me copy this field, paste it there. So this is for email, and we will change here as well. Input type will also be email, width same and margin is same. Like we will give another br tag there. So now name email, and now it is time for telephone. So we'll give a column for telephone as well. Like we can give its id as phone, phone number, and then type as tel or telephone. So same width and margin. Now we have entered the name, email, and phone number. So now we want like age. So for age, let me copy this. Like this is for age. So for age, it will be number. Okay, like one more thing we have to add in input. Like since we want to display the information, we have to add their IDs and name in the input as well. Like ID for name input field, we will give ID as name, and their name also we have to add. This is for name, so this field name we will give name. Let me copy this. For email, ID will also be email, and name will also be email. Similarly for phone number, so ID is phone and name is also phone. Similarly for age, we'll add ID and name. Like this name will be used when we want to show the data after submitting, so you have to give that name accordingly. You can give any name of your choice, but it should be same. Like this is for age, and now let me add a select option for a gender. Like let me copy this label. This is for gender. Let me add a colon. It looks good. Like let me give background color to heading as well, so that it looks different. Like let me give blue. And so this we are adding for gender. Let me add some select. So select name is gender, and ID we would say as gender as well. And then we have to give the options, like inside gender there will be options. So first is male, like value is male, and then label is also male, and then options for female. Female. Oh, let me keep m small here as well. Female. And you can keep a option for other as well if you want. Other. So this is for gender. Now like we have age, gender, phone number, email. So let me add one more field, that is course. So let me give a br tag here for the next line, and let me copy this input. So this is for course. And course will be simply a text, and we will change here as well to course. Now all we are left with is a submit button. So at the end there will be a submit button, input type equal to submit, and let me give margin to this as well, so that there is a gap. Width is 100 pixel is enough. So let us check how our HTML form looks as of now. So we will make changes accordingly. So this is our student management system, and inside this student form .php. So let me run this file. So our path is inside XAMPP student management system, and then student form. So let me change path here, student form.php. So you can see that this is how our forms look like as of now. So you have a heading at the top, student registration form, and then full name, email, phone number, age, gender, course. So and there is a submit button at the end. So these are the field which we will submit, and on clicking submit we will display the user information there, like it is calling save student. We haven't created this file till now. We have to create this file. So let me create this save student file as well. So this is a simple HTML form. Save student.php. Like whatever we specify in the action, we have to create that file, because on submitting the form, data will come to this page. Let me show how to let me show you how to show this data on the page when the user submits the form. Let us start a PHP script there, and question mark. So we are using post method, so you will receive all the data in the $_post method, $_post variable, which is a global variable in a PHP. Let me show you, using Verdum. Using Verdum, let me show you $_post first. Okay, let us check. If I am submitting my name as Rajat, and then email as this, phone number. As of now, there are no validation, so this is the number, age 20, then gender we will give at male, and then course like PHP. So you can see that I have printed a $_ variable. So it is a array, basically array of 6, in which we have name as Rajat, email as Ramraj, and age as this 20, and basically gender as male, and then course as PHP. So let us print it in a more better way, so that it looks good. We want to welcome the user. uh, how we can do? So we can do it using echo. Let me print using some tags as well. For example, we will use h2 hi. Then we can give the username like $_post. We will concatenate using dot operator to this string, the value from our post. So to get the name, there is a like we have added the key of name as name, ID and name. So this name will be used to retrieve the value. For name, this name is name. So we will give here name. Hi. So now it will simply print, and let us add some more text welcome to our website, and then close the h2 tag as well. So let us check by submitting the form again. So this is our form. Let me submit it with the same values. So there is no gap. Let me give some gap as well. So after hi, and after this, let me go back and again submit the form. If I submit the form here, you can see that hi Rajat, welcome to our website. So if I change the details in the form Aman, then so hi Aman, welcome to our website. So in this way, you can submit the form data in PHP. You can display other information as well, if you want, you can use a br tag so that it gets printed in the next line, and it should be inside a string. So let me print age as well. So age, for age name we used is age, and we will simply remove this. And let me print his email as well. I have copied the line. So email, then email. So we are using email because in the form for email name is email. So you have to keep this same. And what is other information, like there is a phone number, phone you want, then you can print phone as well. And there is a gender information, like if you want to print gender as well, then you can print gender as well. Like give some space so that it is clear. And give space here as well. So enter here your details. So let us print the details. So let me change the values. For example, I added RAM, and then age is I changed 23, and post is HTML. Of course we are not printing, so we can print it as well similar way. Let us check. So you can see that there are other details as well. Now, hi Ram, welcome to our website. Your details are like age is 23, email and phone number and gender. So in this way you can submit the HTML form in PHP and print the user's data. So this is part of our student management system. So in this video we learned how to show data to the user after submitting the form. So in the upcoming videos, we will see how to validate this data, and after validation, how to save this data in the database. So we will see all this stuff one by one. Stay tuned for the other videos. So if you find the video useful, then please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you. So if you have any problem like in HTML syntax, then HTML is available on the internet. You can use that. Like there is no need of expertise in HTML since our focus is on PHP part. So we are just creating a simple form and using that. So thank you guys for watching the video. And if you have any doubt, put in the comment section.